A willow twig breaks off during a storm and falls into the muddy riverbank water. Nobody plants it or cares for it. Yet in just a few days, white roots emerge from the fractured end. A fresh tree sprouts from what was merely a cast-off piece. This isn't fantasy, it's biochemistry. The processes unfolding within that damaged willow branch reveal one of gardening's most potent secrets for kickstarting seeds. Most gardeners past 50 discover this harsh reality through trial and error. Seeds are lovingly placed in soil, watered diligently, monitored constantly, only to yield nothing but empty patches or fragile sprouts that wither overnight from hidden soil pathogens. It's devastating, yet entirely preventable. A straightforward 3-step soak using everyday household items can accelerate root development by up to 3 times and boost yields by as much as 5-fold. No costly chemicals required, no lab-made supplies. Simply 3 elements supplied by nature in the family medicine chest. Commercial growers are aware of this, but they'd prefer peddling synthetic rooting hormones in pricey little vials over revealing what willow trees offer gratis. By the conclusion here, viewers will possess the precise, step-by-step formula. First, though, grasp the underlying science. Once it sinks in, it's unforgettable. Stick around to the finish, the last step, featuring the ingredient that rouses dormant seeds in merely 24 hours, is the one rarely mentioned. Part 1. The initial revelation. The wonder concealed in every willow. Consider this question. Few gardeners ponder. Why does willow root with such ease? Break off a maple, oak, or pine branch, and it perishes. Submerge it in water, and it decays. But sever a weeping willow branch. Let it land in a muddy puddle, and roots form. Almost at once. No rooting powder needed, no fertilizer. The branch already contains all essentials internally. The solution: a natural plant hormone named indole 3-butyric acid, or IBA. Willows generate vast quantities, particularly in tender green tips and the slender cambium layer under the bark. This is identical to the substance nurseries synthesize in labs, bottle in plastic, and market as rooting hormone for $8, $10, or even $15 per container. Willow, however, produces it freely, non-stop, for millions of years. Here's knowledge even seasoned gardeners might overlook. When fresh, early spring willow branches, green or yellow, cut as buds start swelling, are chopped into short segments, lightly bruised and steeped in water for 48 to 72 hours, the IBA extracts into the liquid. It takes on a deep, golden hue, creating what's called willow water in traditional horticulture, a rooting tonic rivaling any store-bought option. This isn't a modern fad. Willow water ranks among the earliest documented plant propagation methods. Gardeners employed it eons before, __0, entered the lexicon, before plastic packaging, even before commercial nurseries arose. Still, this time-honored practice got sidelined by paid synthetics cloaked in hype. Willow imparts a deeper gardening lesson: resilience. A limb snaps, strikes soil, and rather than perish, it anchors fresh roots on the spot. A valuable reminder, at any stage of life, yet roots by themselves aren't sufficient. A seed might develop an impressive root network and still succumb quickly if soil harbors diseases. That's precisely why a second component exists, and it's been overlooked in the bathroom cabinet all along. Part 2. The next revelation. The everyday tablet functioning as a plant vaccine. Check nearly any global bathroom shelf. A plain white uncoated pill, priced at pennies. Aspirin. Folks use it for headaches or heart benefits. But scant few realize this modest tablet ranks as one of modern science's top plant immunity boosters. To see why, trace aspirin's roots. Surprisingly, they circle back to willow. Centuries before, Bayer formulated synthetic aspirin in 1897. Ancient peoples harnessed willow bark's curative properties. The Sumerians inscribed its uses on clay tablets millennia ago. Native groups throughout North America prepared teas from willow bark to lower fevers and soothe aches. They had no idea, and science wouldn't uncover it for centuries, that the bark holds a substance known as salicin, which the body transforms into salicylic acid. Chemists later purified this into acetyl salicylic acid, the key component in every aspirin pill available today. Thus, the very tree providing natural rooting hormone also sparked one of humanity's most widely used remedies. That's no accident. It's nature's brilliant efficiency at work. Now, this becomes especially exciting for gardeners. When aspirin dissolves in water and soaks a seed or plant, the acetyl salicylic acid degrades into salicylic acid. This compound activates a plant response called systemic acquired resistance, or SAR, a kind of immunization, but for plant ailments rather than human illnesses. Salicylic acid penetrates the plant cells, flipping on protective genes. The whole plant shifts into defense mode, generating shielding proteins, reinforcing cell walls and ramping up its immunity to maximum levels before any pathogen strikes. Why is this crucial for seeds? Soil isn't the cozy cradle many envision. As soon as a seed takes in water and its shell softens, it turns vulnerable. Fungi, bacteria, and soil pathogens lurk nearby. Damping off that sudden collapse of seedlings at ground level claims far more young plants than gardeners suspect. It's the top cause of germination failures. Folks often fault their watering or planting depth, but the true culprit is usually unseen soil diseases. A seed, pre-soaked in aspirin solution, enters the soil with defenses already engaged. Experiments reveal this boosted immunity excels against major threats like verticillium wilt and fusarium wilt, notorious soil foes in backyard plots. Trials with wheat, tomatoes, and various crops show aspirin-treated seeds yield taller growth, sturdier stalks, and much better harvests. Yet here's the pitfall. Nearly everyone hits. Hearing __quote _1 _ prompts, thoughts of _quote _2 _ wrong. Stick to one standard tablet per gallon of water for safe, potent results. Excess can scorch the seeds. Such precision separates triumphs from letdowns. There's poetry in the mechanism. Aspirin induces a subtle, mock stress, just sufficient to fool the plant into alert mode. That light pressure prompts it to fortify itself, emerging tougher, hardier, and more robust than without it. An unchallenged seed remains frail. A subtly stimulated one sprouts battle-ready. Still, even with willow-derived roots and aspirin-boosted immunity, one hurdle persists. The biggest, most overlooked issue. The seed stays dormant. Part 3. The third secret. The trigger that rouses a dormant seed. Every seed exists in a state of living pause, vital yet inactive, biding time. Held in profound biochemical slumber by abscisic acid, or ABA. While ABA dominates, no sprouting occurs. It might rest in ideal soil, warmth, and wetness, yet stubbornly refuse to wake. The barrier lies within. That's why gardeners sow a row and see only partial emergence. The seeds aren't lifeless, they're merely sleeping. Water and light alone can't jolt them if the inner chemistry isn't aligned. So, what's the opener for dormancy? It's right beside the aspirin in your cabinet, the brown bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Most view hydrogen peroxide as a basic antiseptic for scrapes and cuts, but in plant science, it's a vital signal carrier. A mild H2O2 soak in a dormant seed performs wonders. It delivers an oxidative cue that swiftly dismantles ABA and sparks gibberellic acid, or GA, the growth hormone. Simply put, hydrogen peroxide toggles from rest to sprout. And that's not all. After the alert, it kickstarts key enzymes like alpha amylase, converting the seed's starch reserves into quick-energy sugars. The embryo gets an instant power surge. The radical, that initial fragile root, emerges swifter and hardier. Studies on this are eye-opening. In lab experiments, pea seeds treated with a properly diluted hydrogen peroxide mix reached a 75% germination rate in only 24 hours. Meanwhile, seeds left in regular water over the same time frame barely sprouted at all. Just 24 hours. That's no minor boost. It's a complete game changer. Here's a key point that distinguishes top gardeners from average ones. Dosage is critical. High levels of hydrogen peroxide act as a potent oxidizer, harming cells and even wiping out seeds entirely. Yet at the optimal low strength, 1 to 2 tablespoons of everyday 3% hydrogen peroxide per gallon of water, it delivers the perfect oxidative nudge to spark germination safely. Picture it as a soft wake-up call, mild enough to rouse without startling. The seed stirs to life, the root emerges, and if it's been in the ideal mix, it meets an incredible boost right away. Part 4. The ultimate protocol, merging all three elements. Each component shines alone. Willow water supplies natural rooting hormones, aspirin bolsters defenses, hydrogen peroxide shatters dormancy, and revs up metabolism. Together in one soaking blend, they unleash true synergy, what pros term a triple threat priming method tackling every seed hurdle simultaneously. Stimulation, safeguarding, and ignition. All via a single overnight dip. Here's the precise recipe. Step 1. Make the willow water. During early spring, gather 10 to 15 fresh young green or yellow willow twigs, new shoots, not tough old wood. Chop into 1-inch segments. Gently smash with a mallet or knife back to crack the bark and reveal the cambium layer, rich in IBA. Pack into a big vessel, like a bucket or jar. Pour in water at about 4 parts water to 1 part willow. Steep at room temp for 48 to 72 hours until it takes on a cozy golden tea hue. Filter out the debris, and you've got a strong, natural rooting tonic. One overlooked tip from many recipes. Stick to room temp water, skipping the boil. Heat degrades the IBA. Time does the job better. Step 2. Incorporate the aspirin into 1 gallon of fresh willow water. Add 1 plain 325 milligram uncoated aspirin tablet. Dissolve fully with a light stir. Uncoated matters. Ineric or gel versions have protective coatings that resist breaking down in water, like they do in the gut. Only basic, uncoated generic aspirin delivers here. Step 3. Introduce the hydrogen peroxide. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of standard 3% hydrogen peroxide to the gallon of aspirin willow blend. Mix softly. Skip stronger versions. The common 3% from stores is spot on. Heavy-duty 35% food-grade stuff is too intense and will destroy seeds instantly. Step 4. Soak your seeds. Drop in tomatoes, peppers, beans, squash, flowers, herbs, whatever's on the planting list, into this master mix. Let them sit 12 to 24 hours pre-planting. That's all. 1 overnight bath triggers a flurry of internal seed processes. Hydrogen peroxide seeps through the coat first, dismantling dormancy chemicals and kickstarting metabolic fires. As the seed expands and the initial root tip appears, it's immersed in willow-derived IBA and IAA auxins, signaling cells to multiply fast for roots up to 3 times bigger and quicker than in raw seeds. At the same time, aspirin's salicylic acid soaks into cells, flipping on defense genes to build pathogen resistance before hitting soil. The payoff: seedlings that root down swiftly. Day 1 robust roots guzzle water and nutrients voraciously. Prepped immunity skips early disease battles, channeling all energy to growth. Sturdy stems, vibrant leaves, and yields, potentially 5-fold greater than dry planted into chilly ground. Seasoned growers swear by this for massive hauls. Not sorcery, but smart science. Perfect chemistry, timed and dosed right. Just 3 simple components. 1 evening soak. Willow water builds robust roots. Aspirin strengthens defenses against disease. Hydrogen peroxide ignites that vital energy, all inexpensive, all easy to source. None demand a lab degree or a hunt through boutique garden suppliers. The key elements for tougher, quicker, hardier seedlings thrive, unnoticed by river edges, and hide in everyday household medicine kits. The big commercial gardening sector would love to bury this knowledge, but nature always spills its top secrets wide open. This spring, before any seed hits the soil, let it rest overnight in this blend. Observe the results, then drop your experiences in the comments to spread the word. A breakthrough this powerful belongs in every gardener's hands.